It's a pretty nice perennial flower that I've added to the garden about 2 years ago. This is Salvia hotlips. I chose this spot because it gets full on sun. It's a little overcast at the moment, but this area gets roasted in the summertime. I actually had a really hard time. I mean, part of the reason there's a gap there is I've had a really hard time growing stuff in this area in general. It's taken a few years, and things are starting to fill in. And I really think it has to do with this massive cedar on my neighbor's property. I really think it's just kind of sucking the life out of everything. Anytime I dig in here, it's just a mess of roots. So anyway, going back to Salvia hotlips, this is a very nice drought tolerant perennial. It seems to form clumps about 4 feet. In the beginning of the summer, the flowers are just red, and then I think it's the hotter it gets, you start to get the red and the white. In my climate, it remains evergreen. By spring, it's kind of scraggly looking, so I usually cut it to maybe 6 to 8 inches, and then it just explodes with all this new growth. So it will continue to flower all summer. It's pretty drought tolerant. I'm going to say that it needs well draining soil, and it's really great hummingbird food. And we actually have a lot of hummingbirds in this area. We have Anna's hummingbirds, which are a larger hummingbird species that live here year round. So I usually have 2 or 3 hummingbirds in my backyard at all time. I don't put feeders out, only in the winter. More in November, December, when there aren't too many things flowering, just to kind of help them along. But in the summer, I have a lot of plants like this that they seem to like. I'm sure the bees like them. I don't see any on it right now, but I mean, this is just a really nice drought tolerant plant that just continually throws out bloom. So I'd highly recommend it. It's Salvia hotlips. Thanks for watching.